Are you thinking of buying, selling, or investing in real estate, but you don't know where to start? Have you searched for a realtor who will be nearby when they are needed, who will answer your calls and emails, who will go out and knock the doors of homes to find you unlisted property you like, who will help with sourcing and supplying contractors while negotiating the best deal possible? Do you need a realtor with no high-pressure sales tactics or other gimmicks? Then you need me. I offer a full-service professional sales and customized marketing package for my clients. I am helping clients with buying, selling, and investing. I will build a custom plan to fit your needs. I will work closely with you to ensure that you achieve your goals. My services include not only an analysis of your local market and correct pricing, but I will also help you to prepare your home for sale and make it look as desirable as possible to buyers by providing a professional home stager, using professional quality photographs and compelling descriptions. Let me help you minimize cost and maximize your profits. Call me today.